Hi, how's it going? This is Healthy Habits, week 1 of 4, and this week is going to be talking about water intake. I'm Jennifer Wagner with Collective Wellness. Grab a pen, piece of paper, come back with me, and we'll start working on our healthy habits. Okay, welcome back. So we got our pen, little piece of paper just to make some notes. This is the first healthy habits. Woo! I'm excited to do this with you guys. And with water intake, I thought this was a perfect one to do. Everyone is always like, I need to drink more water, and it's healthy for us. So many benefits to it. So I thought this would be a good start. It takes 21 days to make that habit. It makes it a lifelong thing, or at least it sticks with us a little bit more. So that's why I have this set up for 4 weeks. You will meet back with me, or hope you meet back with me, once a week, and we will have a goal or something to work towards each week so that by the end of that month, at the end of the 4 weeks, it will become a healthy habit. It is so important for us. Our bodies need water. They survive on water. Our brain needs water. Our liver, our skin needs the water. So again, it's something that's very important to have included in our lifestyle. And I want to help you reach towards that goal. The first thing is I want you to pick some type of way you're going to track your water intake. That's the first thing. Device or planner, or actually it's not a planner, this is a calendar. I do have a planner. That's another way that you can track. And then of course your phone. There's so many apps out there. I'm sure there's at least 20 of them on how to track your water intake. And then for work, a lot of times wellness programs have a way of tracking, and then you get points for those too. So find that way of tracking. Keeping track of things, you're more likely to stick with it. So you're going to hear me talk about that a lot, of jotting it down, keeping track, but also keeping track of what you're doing, how you're feeling with all of it too. So the first goal for the week is I want you to be conscious. I want you to become aware of how much water you're taking in. Now, if you naturally ended up increasing your water intake with this week just because now you are even more conscious and you want to do, more power to you. But I just want it to be more of awareness and see how your lifestyle is right now and how much of that is allowing that water intake to happen. So that's week 1. Water intake, just be aware of it, track it on whatever device you want to use or paper. And then you'll come back with me next Wednesday and we will evaluate where we're at and then also have that next goal. Thank you for joining me. I hope this helps you and I hope to see you next week. Go ahead and click on the subscription button there. That way you'll get the notification for next week's goal for the healthy habit of water intake. Take care. See you next week.